Signs that she's attracted to you, and most men miss them. Most men miss when a woman is into them, not because the signs aren't there, but because women are taught to be subtle. They're not taught to come right out and say it. Instead, they show it, and they show it in ways that are quiet, subconscious, and deeply wired into our psychology. So if you're sitting there wondering, does she like me? Stop overanalyzing her words and start paying more attention to her body language. These are the 5 most common and most misread signs that a woman has a crush on you, plus the psychology behind why they happen. Number 1, she exposes her neck or tilts her head. This is one of the oldest non-verbal cues in the book. When a woman tilts her head slightly while she's speaking to you or moves her hair out of the way to expose her neck, her collarbone or her shoulder, this is not just about comfort, it's a subconscious display of vulnerability. Psychologically, the neck is one of the most delicate and unprotected parts of the body. To expose it signals trust, and when attraction is present, she'll do this naturally without even thinking. It also has a visual purpose. It's subtly drawing attention to soft feminine areas. This behaviour is part of what's known as affiliative display. It's a non-threatening signal meant to invite closeness. Number 2, she finds reasons to stay physically close to you. This is where most men get confused, because proximity can seem accidental, but in reality it rarely is. If a woman consistently finds ways to stand near you, lean in or sit close, or just linger a little longer after a conversation ends, she's creating spatial intimacy. And from a psychological standpoint, we're biologically wired to move closer to people that we're drawn to. Proximity is one of the strongest unspoken cues of interest. If she positions herself near you, especially when she doesn't have to, that's her nervous system pulling her towards you. Number 3, she fidgets, but only around you. This is often misunderstood as disinterest, but it's actually the opposite. Watch what her hands are doing. Is she playing with her hair, touching her necklace, adjusting her clothes? These are called self-adapters or preening behaviours in psychology, and they serve 2 purposes. 1, they're calming. People fidget when they're anxious or excited, and attraction creates both of those. 2, they subtly draw attention to certain areas, her lips, her neckline, and her hands. These movements are often subconscious, and they're rooted in mammalian grooming, used across species to prepare for social or mating interactions. The key here is context. If she's only doing it when she's around you, it's a strong sign. It's not random, it's reactive. Number 4, her voice softens. So vocal tone is a major indicator of emotional state. When a woman is attracted to someone, her voice might drop slightly in pitch, or it might become warmer and slow down. It might even take on a more playful melodic tone. This happens because of increased parasympathetic nervous system activity, meaning that she feels safer and more relaxed around you. Lower pitch in female vocalizations is often linked to intimacy and seduction, and it creates a calm, inviting energy that deepens emotional connection. She may not even notice that she's doing it, but if you're hearing a shift in her tone with you that she doesn't usually use with others, take note of that. Number 5, she mirrors your energy and behavior. So mirroring is one of the clearest signs of connection, and it happens subconsciously. If you lean in, she leans in. If you laugh, she follows. If you touch your face, a few seconds later, she might do the same. Her body is syncing with yours. Psychologically, mirroring is a form of nonverbal rapport. It happens when the brain recognizes familiarity and safety, and her body is literally reflecting your movements because it's in tune with yours. This is especially strong when it's paired with other signs. So if she's mirroring and also leaning in, softening her voice or touching her neck, the attraction isn't imagined, it's embodied. Here's the bottom line. Women often won't tell you directly that they're attracted to you, but their body will. And most of the time, it's not about dramatic moves. It's subtle, subconscious, and it's built into our biology. Tilted heads, exposed necks, closeness, preening, mirroring. These are not just random habits. They're nonverbal signs of trust, interest, and emotional alignment. And here's the catch. If you miss these cues, she might assume that you're not interested. Attraction has a rhythm, and if you don't respond to her signals, she might pull away without ever explaining why. So stop waiting for her to spell it out. Start paying attention, because once you learn to read the body, you'll stop second guessing the mind.